My name is Sebastian.
My name's Nina.
My name's Hope.
My name's Abigail.
My name's Isabella.
My name's Natalie.
My name's Claire.
And we're in Mrs. Livick's 4th grade class.
We were asked to make a fictional animal and make a habitat for it in Makerspace.
Cactus. The cactus right there. You can see it.
So we chose the desert for our habitat, and as you can see, we have a stone cave which we hot glued. We hot glued some rocks together, and then we have some tumbleweed and cacti and a little rabbit, and the cacti and the rabbit were made from 3D printing. I mean, unless we can do one like we do.
And we also got sticks to act like they were the trees in the desert. We used real sand for the desert. And we also have an oasis right here.
This is our jaquita. It is made out of a variety of animals like desert fox, scorpion, snake, cheetah, giraffe, and gazelle.
We made him out of clay. Its adaptations are to hear, his large ears help him hear his prey, his spots reflect the sunlight off of his body, his long legs help him run fast to catch his prey, the jackrabbit, and finally his scorpion tail helps him hunt.
Thanks for watching.